Well, from what you described, it looks like the carrier dog assembly, which would be this right here. There's a big screw, sorry, not a screw, big spring inside here. And what happens is when you shoot the gun, the bolt carrier comes back here, hits this, compresses the spring, see? And then this thing will automatically shoot up, you see? So I'm thinking it's got to be one of the spring, and then what happens is you load, and the round loads in the chamber, and then it falls back. I'm thinking it's this right here. This is the carrier dog assembly right in here. There's a spring inside here. Maybe the spring broke or it's non-existent. That's what I'm thinking of. But you're gonna have to take it apart, and by taking it apart, you're gonna pull this C-clamp out right here, and what you're gonna do is you'll knock out this center pin, and this follower will come out. This is the follower assembly. But this is the carrier dog right here, and what this is, the carrier comes by, hits this, compresses the spring right here. I'm thinking that's what's your problem. Without seeing it in person, it's kind of hard. So do a little bit of investigating and take a look and see what you think. See how it kind of pops it up like that? And then it comes back, see? And that's what I'm thinking, is because you should have some spring tension under here. Check this out. There's a place called Numerich Gun Parts. I'll send you a link. I'll put the link in the text or in the video so you can take a look and check it out. But this is what I would be probably this is the culprit right here. If not, I'm not worried about this spring right here. You can see this. This is just for your to close a bolt and activate your bolt when you want to add more rounds to it. I'm thinking it's the follower, the dog follower right here. So take a look at that and tell me what you think.